We made it! Another cruise about to begin!
Back on our favorite ship.
Our favorite ship.
With our favorite people.
Our favorite people.
And now we're just gonna go check in. We got our room. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. You can't see it. But we got a lucky room. Alright, so we just got on board. First thing we did was we checked in. Then we came up and we got tacos. And we're just sitting out in the sun and enjoying the music. We didn't get our drink package yet, so we do have to do that. So we're a little bit of a procrastinator on that. But this is like our favorite thing is the tacos on this boat. So we had to start off with that. Now I think our room will be ready around like 1:30, so we'll probably just sit out here in the sun. We packed our swimsuits.
Woo!
So we're
Our
just
favorite!
starting our day the best way you could think. So we did an upgrade to our room and we did an ocean view balcony, but we did a spacious one. So I will bring you in so you can see what it looks like. Sam is out there talking to the people on the balcony. But it's really nice. It looks like it's updated. Like I said, we're on Navigator of the Seas. We were just on this boat. We didn't get a spacious view last time, but this room just looks more up to date. And I don't know about spacious, but it's still really nice. So here it is.
Well, yeah, but they're not racing each other.
We were just in the pool, so we have our swimsuits on.
Swimsuits on.
There's we got the TV in front of the bed, so that's different than our last one. And then we have the balcony. So it's a little bit different of a room, but it's a balcony, and that's what we needed.
Yes, it is.
Well, we didn't need it, but we really wanted it. So.
We didn't need it, but we wanted it. We wanted it for the beautiful views, and I just feel like the interior rooms a little stuffy. So I like having the sea breeze with the saline, breathing it in. So
He's drunk.
I'm a little drunk, but I'm making sense. You experienced it
We got
yourself?
the drink packed. Oh, also I am Emerald. So when we got to the room, we had this little package here of truffles, and then we had some water and some cookies. So that was really cool.
We're not sure who took a bite out of this, but we're gonna figure it out.
I would say it was him. But a plus side to cruising right now through Royal Caribbean until December of 2023, you get double points. So a 7-day you get 14 points. So that's really a good deal, because before we know it, we are going to be Diamond, which is when you get all the perks of cruising. So something to keep in mind if you do want to cruise.
Diamonds are forever. NCAA tournament.
One shine moment. Purdue, St. Peter's. It's a close game. Hoping the Peacocks spread the wings. The guys over there, they're all Purdue grads over there. They're hoping Purdue wins, so we'll see. All the guys' names over there, his name is Sam, so we got each other on. It's kind of a romance. Hope St. Peter's wins, so St. Peter's wins. I'm one away from $700+.
We have made it to Cabo.
Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We go.
We're going to Cabo. crazy. So we started off at Senior Frogs and we got a drink there. That's okay, no thank you. And then we took a water taxi over to like the main beaches in Cabo. And they are a little crazy. There's just a bunch of clubs and, you know, people on spring break. So it's naturally what you could imagine. But the view is beautiful right here. So there's a couple cruise ships here with us. That's our boat right straight ahead. And then there's these big, just like huge rock formations. So our water taxi is going to take us over to those. So we're gonna stay here and then we'll head over there. So I will show you a closer look.
Largest man-made lighthouse in the world. Largest man-made lighthouse in the world.
Okay, Captain.
Hola, estamos en Mazatlán, México. Yo hablo un poco español. Pacifico, the beer made here in Mazatlan. Very awesome, very awesome. Great beer. Got a t-shirt for myself and my dad. Right now we're currently eating some chips and salsa. We just came off the catamaran little ride. Learned about some of the history of Mazatlan and got a nice view of the water. You know, I'm looking at the city, so very awesome, very awesome.
We got free drinks. It was very fun.
Very fun.
Now we're eating chips and salsa. I'm gonna get some tacos. And just enjoy the day here.
It's not even noon yet. I got a little buzz going on, buzz. So, you know.
I got a pina colada.
The Pacifico, as
It's a
mentioned
little
before.
strong.